Stop it, do it again. Stop it and do it again.
It's on pause.
Well, you see him standing there, then start it.
Oh my god. He's gonna see this recording and get mad at us. Where is he? What is he starting the car for? Where are you going? Yeah, where are you going? Okay, ganja. Get what? Ganja. Okay. Stay. Oh, it's only 35 seconds! Do jumping jacks! Woo, woo, woo! Is he dying? The stupid things he does for money. No. It's been a minute.
Nope, leave it.
He totally believes it. It's been a minute and 12 seconds. No, it hasn't, has it? Yeah. Oh my god. He's been a fly.
Don't let him just see how long you'll stand out there for.
Look at his nose, it's red.